poppin', YouTube? I hope you're all having a great day. Now today I have a little different of a type of video. So what I have 4 different cards. All right, on each card there are different exercises. When I flip it, I'm gonna have them in cups. I'm gonna switch the cups around or whatever, and I'm gonna flip the cup. Whatever cup has a certain exercise in it, I'm gonna do that exercise, and I'm gonna have a deck of cards. I'm gonna go in that deck of cards and I'm gonna pull out a card. Aces are 1, jacks are 11, queens are 12, and kings are 13. I'm gonna multiply that number from 1 to 13. I'm gonna multiply it by 10. All right, and that's gonna tell me how many reps of the exercise I have to do. I'm gonna do 5 rounds. Okay, I'm gonna have 4 regular cards or whatever, and then at the end of it, I'm gonna put a weight vest on. I'm gonna do the same thing I've basically been doing the whole time, but I'm gonna do the exercises with the weight vest on. That's all. Let's get right into it. These are all the 4 cards, and no joke, I'm really kind of hoping I get burpees more, because you know what I'm saying, I gotta get these abs right. The abs is coming. The abs is coming. But I got Russian twists, push-ups, burpees, and squats. I'm going to put them in the cups now. Round number 1. Round number 1. I don't even know what I just did. I really don't even know which ones I put in which. Burpees. Gotta start knocking out burpees. All right. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Oh, 20 burpees. 20 burpees. Oh man. Oh man. Oh boy. 6. Whew. Eight. 8. I might be breathing a little hard, but that was easy. Let's get to the next one. Oh man. Whew. I'm gonna get these out of the way. All right. I don't know where any of these things are. I'm gonna say I wanna go with, whew. Oh boy. What's this? Push-ups. See how many I gotta do. That's what I'm doing right here. Oh god. Woo! Oh man. Oh, that just hurt me. Ooh, hey, oh man. Comment down some motivation down below, cause this finna get me. It's raining. There's a little bit of rain. They hurt nothing. Round three. Round three. Russian twist, time to get these abs right. So that way, you know what I'm saying? These abs is coming. Now let me go and see how many I gotta do with these play cards or whatever. I'm getting a vibe from this card. I'm getting a vibe from this card. Yes! Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Alright, alright. I ain't really finna have to get down here in the mud though, but like I say, range is part of the game. Ugh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Too easy, man. Way too easy, man. I'm going to get into round 4. And then right after this one, then we got the bonus round with the weight vest. All right, round 4. Round 4. I really don't know where I've been putting these cards at though, so I'm gonna really just go any, mini, money, mo. Cause you talk about it too. If I let them go, Mama told me to pick the very best one, and you. I really got every single all 4 of them. I really thought I was gonna like double up or triple up on one of them, but I really just got all 4 of them. All right, where the car is at? Where the car is at? Okay. Now I gotta see exactly how many I gotta finish. All right. I'm getting a vibe off of this card right here. I'm getting a vibe from this card. Ooh. Ooh. Why, yo? I've been doing so good. And now I feel like since I just got this one, this is gonna open up the gates and stuff, and now I'm finna begin like king. I bet you I get a king next. Straight, 100 straight. Now for the very final one. Bonus round. Now I got on the weight vest. Let's see what's gonna get. All right, final round. I'm going to put the arm vest on. This thing's so soaked, I can feel it through the jacket. All right. Look at that. That card going. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna still put it on here though. What is this? Russian twist. I think I'm gonna just pull him out my pocket, whatever card I pull out. Which one is? Which one is? Yeah! 20 Russian twist. That's it. That is it. Come on, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh, the abs is coming. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Woo! Easy, man. Way too easy, man. Come on, man. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe, and hit that red subscribe button. I said subscribe, but I'm gonna put some more energy behind it because I need y'all to do it. Go down, hit the comment. Oh man, I can't even say it right. Hit the subscribe button. All right, my stomach is killing me. Hit the subscribe button, man. I know you see it. If you want a computer, man, just hit the little exit full screen button, scroll down just a little bit. It's a big old red rectangle. Hit that button, man. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below what challenge y'all want to see me do next. And that's it, man.